The ultimate smartphone showdown is here. Can the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra finally take the crown from the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Who has the best camera? Who dominates in performance? And most importantly, which one should you buy? Let's break it down. Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a titanium frame, just like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but Samsung takes it further with a more squared-off design and built-in S Pen. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, still sleek with Apple's signature minimalism, both are IP68 water and dust resistant, but Samsung's display is slightly larger at 6.8 inches compared to Apple's 6.7 inches. Samsung offers a more functional design with the S Pen, while Apple keeps it classic and refined. Which do you prefer? Both phones boast LTPO OLED panels with 120Hz refresh rates, but Samsung cranks up the brightness to 2800 nits, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max maxes out at 2500 nits. Samsung also supports S Pen functionality for productivity. Apple's ProMotion display ensures ultra-smooth scrolling and animations. For sheer brightness and features, Samsung takes this round. iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the A18 Pro chip, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. The A18 Pro chip dominates in raw power, especially in video editing and AI-driven tasks. Samsung, however, integrates Galaxy AI for smart features like live translation and generative text, giving it an edge in AI-assisted productivity. If you want peak performance, go Apple. If you want AI-powered multitasking, Samsung wins. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra packs a 200MP main sensor, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max sticks to a refined 48MP sensor. Samsung's 100x space zoom gives you insane reach, while Apple's Pro RAW processing ensures unbeatable detail. Night photography? Samsung's AI enhancements improve low-light shots, but Apple's Deep Fusion still offers a more natural look. 8K video recording on Samsung versus ProRes 4K on iPhone, which one do you prefer? For zoom and versatility, Samsung wins. For natural processing and video quality, Apple dominates. Both phones have all-day battery life, but Samsung gives you a 5000 mAh battery, while Apple relies on software optimization. Samsung 45W fast charging gets you 65% in 30 minutes. Apple MagSafe wireless charging remains slow at 15W. Samsung also supports reverse wireless charging while Apple still doesn't. Samsung wins for faster charging and bigger battery, but Apple remains efficient. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at $1,299, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $1,199. If you want customization, zoom power, and AI productivity, go with Samsung. If you love Apple's ecosystem, fluid software, and unbeatable video quality, stick with iPhone. Which flagship wins for you? Let us know in the comments. This battle isn't over. If you enjoyed this comparison, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more epic tech content. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max are both powerhouses in their own right, each bringing unique strengths to the table. The S24 Ultra's larger display and S Pen functionality make it a productivity beast, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max's sleek design and ProMotion display offer a premium user experience. When it comes to performance, the A18 Pro chip in the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a powerhouse, excelling in tasks that require raw computational power. On the other hand, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the Galaxy S24 Ultra is no slouch, offering excellent performance and AI capabilities that enhance everyday tasks. Camera technology is another battleground where these two giants clash. The S24 Ultra's 200MP sensor and 100x space zoom offer incredible versatility, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 48MP sensor and Pro RAW processing deliver stunning detail and natural-looking photos. Battery life and charging capabilities are also crucial factors. The S24 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery and 45W fast charging provide long-lasting power and quick top-ups, whereas the iPhone 16 Pro Max relies on software optimization and MagSafe wireless charging for a seamless experience. Ultimately, the choice between the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes down to personal preference and priorities. Whether you value customization, camera versatility, and AI features, or prefer a refined design, seamless ecosystem, and top-notch video quality, both phones have something exceptional to offer. So, which one will you choose? The decision is yours, and we can't wait to hear your thoughts.